Hey there, Alyssa Adnani, Senior Product Manager with Legrand AV, and really excited to be here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here in our higher ed space, and I want to take you through some of our forum products. Right here, we've got our 60-inch forum lectern. This is our all HPL version. There's so much modularity and customized elements that you can do with this lectern. First, I want to take you through, you can have your custom logo panel here. Again, like I said, this is our 60-inch. We also have a 42 and a 72. We've got 7 standard colors, as well as other customizable finishes to match your space. We've got this modular trough. So much you can do here. We've got a full turret, we've got a half turret, we can do custom cutouts, we've got power, connectivity. You can choose which right adjust, left adjust, where you want these things in the space on the work surface. This is teacher inspired. We've got a lot going on underneath here as well. We've got a 6 RU undermount rack. We can go up to 12 RU. We've got so much very intentional cable management through both of the legs. If I take you over here, we also have a matching side rack. This is our 12 RU. This is actually a combo of HPL and the PET acoustical felt. You can also have the lectern match that or keep it all HPL. We've got a ton of cable management, device mounting within this side rack as well, with lockable front and back covers.